I'm an architect. I was trained as an architect, and I've always worked on interiors, architecture of interiors, and furniture design, with a special attention to materials and finishes. I think that these issues are getting more and more important in the interior design. Today, in design, materials become an element of competition, very important, because languages and styles have been developed and investigated so much in the last few decades. They depend a lot on culture, on the country, and on many situations. For instance, the client, the target. But there is something that is kind of universal, that is the comfort issue. And comfort depends a lot on the choice of materials. The choice of materials has become a very important element of competition in the market. Materials are related to perception. When we talk about interior design, materials are partly related to trends, but more often to sensitiveness. Some trends have been lasting for many decades. Some others are very new, and they depend on technology. Technology is an important element. Innovation knowledge is important for designers. So when we study materials, we are thinking about the processes, we are investigating the processes, and all the new technologies that allows new finishes, new qualities, both for traditional materials, natural materials, and also for innovative materials. Nature has become a very important issue when designing, probably because the world is getting more sensitive to nature. There is a clear attention to the natural landscape. So natural landscape is becoming an inspiration, not only the colors, the texture of nature, but more in general, feeling of nature is included in contemporary design. Design course between Italy and China can be strategic for the possibility of exchanging experiences. Chinese designers are developing a new style that is not dependent on international standards. More and more often we see new Chinese design with a special attention to the culture, to the traditional Chinese culture, and the mix of the Italian culture, which is famous for the design, with the Chinese one, can lead to an enrichment for both countries.